everyone, this is Ken from Scott Anderson Design. Just starting up a new project for the week. So our project today, we're completely replanting this whole client's property. So we've already gone in, cleared out all the bushes from these beds. This bed here, this one here, right by the tree where John's digging. Right there, we've already laid those out. We got Matt. He's in the bed, cutting it up. Give it up for Matt. And we got a pretty large plant order. Just gonna bring it right this way. It was about 100 plants in total I picked up yesterday. Some great colors, some great variety here. Some stuff that's really gonna make this property pop. As you can see, we got the coral bells here. Over here, we got the kaleidoscopes. Just little splashes of color, nothing too bright, nothing large, just, you know, accents. These are my favorites right over here. I love these guys. So we're gonna be putting these in the matter of the next 2 days. And then what we're doing as well, as you can see back there, these are a lot of the stuff that we were able to salvage from the front. We're gonna be cutting a bed in back here, just along this fence line. And just replanting these. So just stay tuned and keep watching and enjoy. All right, now that we have our beds cleaned, we're starting to stage the plants before we bury them. We're just gonna touch base with the client, have them review how they're laid out before they give the thumbs up, and then once they do, we'll start sinking them. So we're just wrapping up for today. We've got everything staged in place. We have John on the phone right now with the client, just going over all the locations of the plants. So let's just walk you through. So you see right over there, they're just sinking the 2 that were transplants. We want to get them in as soon as possible, just to help the plants, keep them alive. Everything over here is going to be in a high shade area. This tree is actually pretty massive. It's hard to tell in the video. So these are all shade perennials that are just going to keep popping and keep some beautiful color. So now in this bed we have a really nice brush wall. Then we have some accent colors just to break up the greens. Coming over to this bed, we have all these colors accenting the maple. It's just going to give it a really nice pop. Some plants over here for shade again. As you can see, they're all sunk under this guy right here, so these are all shade tolerant plants. Now we're just going to be coming around the back. So one thing to keep in mind when you're choosing your plants is their location. Obviously, if they're in bright sun, you want to make sure they're going to be getting lots of water, but you also want to make sure that they're full sun plants. If you're working in a covered area, cloudy area, you want to make sure that you get shade plants. We got all these plants staged here. Half of them are transplants. Half of them are ones from our nursery. You can see the yellow line is going to be the bed line that we'll be cutting in tomorrow to sink the plants and mulch. Thank you very much for watching.